Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about why you are not getting any clients as a beginner from the Fiverr and Upwork marketplace. So, this tutorial is very important for beginner freelancer who is really want to get client from Fiverr and Upwork. So, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, here's our market, Fiverr, and suppose you think that you are a seller. You want to sell your SEO service and you want to sell your SEO backlink service and something like that. I'm just telling this topic for an example. But if you are a graphics designer or video editor, you can search and analyze this way to get clients. Okay, so first of all, I want to search here SEO, and please look at the search suggestion. Okay, so this is very important for to get to get a new client for from your Fiverr gig or any other topics like your brief or Fiverr gig. Okay, so first of all, you just search with your keywords like SEO. This is my keywords, and so I just search here, and Fiverr showing these kinds of suggestions like SEO, on-page SEO, YouTube SEO, YouTube video SEO, website SEO, SEO audit. Okay, so suppose you want to sell your service like on-page SEO, so you should use these keywords. Okay, also you want to sell your service SEO backlinks. Okay, so SEO backlinks, so you should use keyword like SEO backlinks or with page SEO backlinks, also SEO contextual backlinks, something like that. This is the very important thing, because when client looking for some service or gig, that's time client just search this kinds of way, and when Fiverr showing this kinds of suggestion, they will click just the suggestion, and after that the some gig show on the search result. Okay, so I want to click here SEO backlinks, and after that client see these kinds of results from the Fiverr search bar. So suppose you are a new seller, how you will get the clients? The first thing, there are a lot of sellers selling their service. Most of the seller top rated, level 2 and pro seller, so there is no chance to get clients for the first time with the search result. But you should try to use valuable or high search volume keywords in your title, because when you will put the title keyword related title in your gig, that's time definitely chance to show your gig for the first page, last area. Also there are chance to show for the next page. Okay, so this is very important. So what is the main things here? The main important things is, please include as much as you can your targeted keywords from the search bar. Also you can use a extension called Fiverr Quick View. Okay, Fiverr Quick View, that will help you to search, that will help you to research some keywords like SEO backlinks 34 times, backlinks 22, also link building. So suppose you want to sell your service SEO backlinks, so you must use SEO backlinks, link building, do follow backlinks, something like that. Okay, so this is the first one things that you should do. So the next thing is, please look all the gig here. Suppose when client search and scroll or from mobile or computer, that's time he just attract with some image. So this is very important. When client see your gig image, and definitely it should be attractive, definitely it should be attractive, because lots of people want to sell their service in this market. So you should create awesome amazing gig image. Okay, so here it is, I'm just searching, and my eye is just attract with this image, also I am scrolling this one also I am scrolling, sometimes this one. So it's high chance to get click from your gig image. So please careful about this. If you want to get clients from the Fiverr as a beginner, definitely you should make awesome gig image. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so number 3 is you should optimize your gig with all valuable keywords. How? I want to explain. Suppose this is your gig. Okay, so I want to open it. Suppose this is your gig, and you should use valuable keyword in title, valuable keyword in your gig description, must use for the first area, also use all keywords here. Also please include your keywords, targeted keywords in the tag section. This is very important. Okay, so here is the tag section. You should use your related keywords. So I think you got the point why you not getting the clients. Okay, so the another way, when you are a beginner, that's time it's very difficult to get clients as a beginner, but sometimes client just use this filter like newest arrival. Okay, so that this is a good chance to show your gig here as a beginner. So please use all the things that I have said for the keywords, title, description, gig image, and search tag. Use a highly searched keywords in your gig. Okay, so when client just use this filter, that's time showing here all the newly launched gig. Okay, so here it is, and when your gig image will be good and all will be optimized, that's time a high chance to click your gig from the clients. And after that, if the description and all the thing will good, definitely client will message you. Okay, so that is the way as a beginner you can easily get the client from the Fiverr. I think you got the point. I'm not a good English speaker, but I'm trying to deliver the best one for you. So however, now I want to jump our another marketplace. It's called Upwork. Okay, so here it is. Suppose you are a new freelancer in this market. Okay, so what's happened right now when I am making this tutorial, this time Fiverr, it's just like pro. You cannot sell, you cannot apply any job without connection. Okay, so as a beginner, when you create a Upwork profile, that's time you should buy some connection from this market. So this is very hard for as a beginner, because when you are a beginner you don't have any review, so there is no chance, there is more than less chance to getting any invitation. Okay, so what's happened? Suppose client search here, need SEO expert. Okay, so I want to search here as like client, and client will see highly optimized and top rated and most demandable and experienced profile from here. There is no chance to show a fresh or newbie profile here, so you cannot get any clients if you are a beginner. So what you can do? Okay, you should apply all the jobs that you can properly, and if you want, I will make some video how to apply on Upwork properly and how can you get your first client. Okay, I will make a video. If you want, please like this video and comment below, and definitely I will try to make a video for you. Okay guys, so this is the one problem for the beginner seller who want to get clients. Okay, suppose client search this kinds of way. Also there are another option here, just like Fiverr, that is projects. Okay, so client click here and need SEO expert and search here, and the same just like Fiverr, client will see some projects. Okay, so if you are a beginner, you should optimize your projects with best images, also the keywords, title, description, everything. But as a beginner, there it is very low chance to show your gig on the top, show your gig on the sorry, this is not gig here, this is project on this market on the top. Okay, so first time you should get a project and get 5-star review. Okay, so I think you got the point why you not getting clients as a beginner. If you want, I will make a video how you will get your first client as a beginner. Also I will make some video how can you get direct client when you are a beginner. That's time there is very difficult to get clients from the Fiverr, Upwork and other marketplace, but you should try other ways like how to get direct client or how can we direct client outside of market. And if you want to know, please see my YouTube video, my channel playlist, and you will find how can we get direct client, and definitely all video will help you to get clients. Also if you want, I will make some dedicated video for you guys. I think this video is very helpful for you. If you think this video is very helpful, please subscribe this channel and comment below your suggestion and your question, and I am ready to answer your question within 24 hours. Okay, bye.